This is a 1968 Triumph T100C Tiger or Trophy single carb. It's project barn find bike. There's a few bits missing: seat, carburetor. And I've not tried to start it. Needs recommissioning and a fair few jobs. Turns over from the kickstart. It's got 5,000 miles on the clock. Brakes work on it. Not good, but they work. And I can't select the gears. The lever won't pull up or down enough to go in. As you can see there, it's not moving on the dial. The clutch feels as though there's a clutch working there, or at least it's got springs. But it's a project, no guarantees. There you go.